Hey guys, it's me, Access Lauren, and welcome back to my channel. Real quick disclaimer, I do not know what I did with my microphone, so please bear with me with the volume because you're not going to want to miss this. Today I'm going to be reviewing products from a local business called Drip Glosses. It's an up-and-coming cosmetics brand here in local Detroit. And what makes it so special is that it's ran by 4 young ladies. They're in middle and high school, and they are Satoria, Shyla, Cheyenne, and Sierra. And I just want to thank you ladies for sending me this package because these are absolutely wonderful products. Okay, so the first product that I have here is their Body Shimmer Oil. Now, these oils are absolutely stunning. They're gorgeous, and I'm so happy that I have all 4. What's cool about these oils is that the carrier oils in here are coconut oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil. Okay, so the first oil I'm going to try is called Sweet Dreams. It's this really pretty iridescent, like unicorn dust looking oil. And it has this really cute dropper. So pretty. Smells like lavender, vanilla, hints of vanilla. Really, really nice, light smell. It's not overpowering. It's pretty. Ooh, when you rub it in, it just like, it gives you just a little bit of a glow. This would be perfect for a vacation. This is so pretty. I really love this. The next one I'm going to try is called Golden Goddess. And this is so pretty. I feel like this is going to be my favorite because I'm just a sucker for gold. I love gold. And the Gold Goddess, this is like a coconutty kind of creamy smell to it. Really, really nice. So I'm going to try that on this side. I didn't realize I was so hairy. Good Lord. Oh my gosh, this gives you like, I feel like you could wear this on a vacation, even though it like might be hot. It's like kind of light though. It's not too heavy. Feels like really moisturizing. It's really pretty. Okay, so this next oil is called Rose Shimmer. How pretty is this? Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It's like a mango daiquiri. I think it's like very fruity, really. Oh yes. Okay, try this one. This looks like it could, you know, like I like a lot of oils that give you like a hint of color. So like I don't have to go tan. It gives you like a little bit of a like a bronzing effect to it, and that's what this kind of does. Smells so good. I don't even know what my favorite is at this point. I like the subtle glow. It just looks like you've been taking care of yourself. The last oil is called Glamorous Glow. Look how gorgeous that is. And it smells like hot cocoa. It's just so nice. All right. Trying to be cute. I don't want to drop this on the carpet. Ooh, this, I swear, this reminds me of this stuff I used to buy at Bath and Body Works so that I can put it on and get a hint of color. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. This is something that I love because I'm so, especially wintertime. See the difference? It's like you get that hint of color and it makes you look so glowy. Yes. They should change the name of this one to Glow Up. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now it's time to try my drip glosses. And I'm going to start with this one. It's called Black Royalty. And it smells like watermelon. Oh my gosh. I'm going to just like kind of swatch them here so you can see them. This one is called Sweet Dreams. Basically, it kind of matches the oil here. And then I'll pick my favorite one and I'll actually wear that one last. Sweet dreams. This one is Rose Shimmer, and that goes with this one here. Rose Shimmer. Next is Golden Goddess, and that one kind of goes with this here. So pretty. Next one is Glamorous Glow. Oh my gosh. I have two bonuses here. I'll show you what these look like. Ooh, this one smells a little bit like peppermint. Really pretty. And then this one. Oh my God, it smells so good. I want to eat it. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous. I'm so proud of you ladies. I'm so happy that you're doing this. And I choose, I don't know, they all look so good. Okay, so for my look right now, I'm looking pretty like, you know, just like I rolled out of bed and I look like this. I'm gonna go with Rose Shimmer. I'm gonna wear these every day. Thank you ladies so much for sending me such a really nice package. I am not mad at this package. In fact, I am in love with every single one of these products. I don't know if I prefer the lip glosses or over the oils. I mean, they're equally awesome products. And the fact that they're handmade and homemade by 4 sisters in high school and middle school, that just makes it even better. So if you guys want to support some young ladypreneurs doing their thing, up and coming cosmetics brand, you guys go ahead to Instagram and follow them at drip_gloss. I don't know if you guys can see that. And go ahead and make your orders. Thank you guys so much for watching. And ladies, keep up the good work. I'm so excited for you guys, and I'm so happy, and I'm so thankful that you guys sent me this wonderful package. And if you have any other products, any new products upcoming, feel free to keep sending them because I don't mind taking them. Go ahead and head to my IG, follow me at @accesslauren. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave them at any time. I do not mind responding to any and everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, have a blessed day.